Hey beauty pros, meet the ultimate travel companion for your kit with the Bagmoly rolling makeup train case. This extra-large professional trolley keeps all your essentials organized with customizable interior dividers. You get 4 bonus PVC pouches and a dedicated brush slot under a waterproof cover. Maneuvering is a breeze, thanks to the 25-inch retractable handle and smooth 36-degree wheels. The durable Oxford canvas exterior features heat-insulating layers ideal for hot hairdressing tools and daily travel demands. Store everything from skincare to cosmetics safely in the spacious, multifunctional side pockets. Upgrade your mobile setup today and take your professional artistry anywhere with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.